So this is madness. Let's see. To be continued. Okay, check it out. Looks like we made it to the parkade, the upper lot here. So, you know, it was worth the trip. Now we're gonna try to find this lake somewhere around here. Wherever it is, we're gonna try to find it. English? English?
Yeah.
You know where the lake is?
Yeah, just searching.
First time? I know, I'm trying to find out too. Well, we got the parking, we made the parking, right? Thought I was gonna come all the way here, but you know, you gotta have faith. And we're here. Where are you guys from?
India. From India.
Oh, nice, India. Well, welcome to Canada and welcome. I've been to my first time here. I'm from Vancouver.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like we came from 2 years ago, but we came from Winnipeg.
Never heard of it.
Winnipeg?
No, never heard of it.
Manitoba?
I've only heard of Toronto, Vancouver. I'm joking.
It's a good thing.
So I guess we got to pay for parking now. We got to pay Washington. Okay, check it out. This is madness, pure madness here. $36 for parking. I didn't know it was gonna go down like that, man. Should have just did the hot springs and chill, but drove all the way here. Now we want to see some beautiful sights. But yeah, this is madness, madness, madness. But we made it. We ain't turning back. So let's see what this Lake Louise is about. This is the reality of Lake Louise. A gang of people, but beautiful views. The rumor is we're 15 minutes away. I'm hoping. Let's go. Mirror Lake. I'll tell you right now, this looks cold as fuck to go into. So I might have to go to the other lake. We got our real lake here with sunshine. Yeah. Tea house. Sunshine. And less people. Yeah. Woo! 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 Yeah. That's how you do it, baby. Cold plunge. Ain't no half stepping. Woo! Okay, back to civilization. I ran the whole way down. I think it was under an hour, straight trail running. So sweaty. Man, I'm fucking sweaty, man. Having some Gatorade, but we're done. Went up to the second lake. Can't even pronounce the thing, but anyways, this is the end of the hike. Just beautiful scenery. We're about to go down to the vortex of people. but it's all to the good. So yeah, I give this hike, even though this is Canada's most expensive hike, okay, but for the price, I mean, I got to give it a 10 out of 10. You just got to get away from all the people, but I give it a 10 out of 10. And I will be back maybe next summer, but 10 out of 10. Highly recommend it. This is Jasper. This is not Jasper. Let me do this again. Banff. This is Banff, Alberta. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Lake Louise. You can go on hikes from here, and we out.